Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are going well, and if you are new to my channel then just take a moment to subscribe it, as it really means a lot to me, and also hit that bell button which is sitting just beside that. So in this video I am going to unbox this Glamego box which is for the month of November, and see how nicely it is packed. It has a magnetic packaging which makes it more efficient. You can keep your accessories in that after you complete this product. Now this video is going to be interesting because here I'll be discussing 5 facts about me which I guess I have never discussed, and 5 facts about this Glamego box, because everyone has many questions regarding Glamego box, that how they are giving so much of products in just an affordable price and all those questions. So I'm going to solve it here only. So I'll be telling you 5 facts about me and 5 about Glamego. So first of all, let me discuss the product. So the product which they are giving is this xoxo Mud Hair and Spark Kit. The second one is this Vela Vogte, I hope I'm pronouncing right, and this is a liquid lipstick. The third one is this body mist, and the fifth one is this Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula with Vitamin E, Daily Skin Therapy, Soften Relieves, Rough Dry 24-hour Moisture. I really need this in this upcoming winter season. And this one is this Health Weight Activated Charcoal Powder for Natural Teeth Whitening. I guess many of us need it. So for coming to the first product, which is this xoxo Mud Hair Spark Kit, and this one costing for ₹99. So inside this box what I'm getting is, so the first one I'm getting is the Therapeutic Hair Shampoo, the second is Deep Nourishing Mud Hair Mask, and the second one is Chew, and the third one is this serum. So first you have to do shampoo and then apply this mask, leave it for 2 or 3 minutes, and then apply this serum after washing it properly. So because of these pollutions and all, now hairs are getting really damaged and you need certain kind of nourishment to your hairs. So for this I guess it's very good. Now the second one is this Activated Charcoal Tooth Powder. I already have done a dedicated video for it. Now charcoal is known for removing of all your pollutants, of all your dirt, all the plaque which is on your teeth. The charcoal is also available in the form of face pack and all, but for teeth it is meant to remove all those yellowness from your teeth. So if you apply it for 2 or 3 minutes, it will just brighten up your teeth instantly, and this one costs ₹300. So after paying ₹299, you are getting so much products. The single product is costing for ₹300. Glamego is my all-time favorite because of this point especially. So the 5 facts which I am going to tell you in this video about Glamego is: first one, the products which they are giving is 100% genuine and original. Secondly, products sourced directly from premium brands. Third, includes all those products which can be used every day, like basically they are including skincare, which I totally love, and you will definitely get more, I guess 4 times more for what you have paid. There are many and many happy customers of Glamego. The third one is this lipstick, and this is from Vela Vogte, and this one is in the color, this one is in the color red, which is my favorite, and this one costs for ₹599. You can pick according to your choice. So this is in red color, and this is liquid matte lipstick. See how pretty the color is. I am loving this color. I will definitely apply in my upcoming videos. So this is really nice kind of lip color, which red is my all-time favorite. I have said this thing in many of my videos. So again you can see this is for $599. So see how much this box value your money. Next one is going to be this body mist, and this is BioBloom body mist, skincare body mist for all skin type, and this one costs ₹450. Do not spray into your eyes, free from parabens, formaldehydes, no synthetic fragrance, and this one has some kind of very nostalgic smell. Very fresh smell. The smell will definitely persist for a long time. I have used one more body mist from this very box, and I was with that. And the last one is this Palmer's Cocoa Formula, and this is basically a moisturizer. Let me tell you the texture first. Texture is very nice for dry skin, but I guess for oily skin it's a bit greasy. So for dry skin it's very good, but for oily skin I feel like it can be a bit greasy. And my skin is oily, so I'll give it to my mom or my sister to try it. I'm going to tell 5 facts about me. So briefly I'm wrapping it. I have done my graduation from Kolkata. 3 years I have completed the theory part in Kolkata, and right now I'm doing internship in Bangalore. So if I'm going to tell you 5 facts about me, the first one is going to be I have completed my graduation from Kolkata and I'm doing internship in Bangalore. Third thing is that I am doing this makeup video because I love doing this. It's just my hobby. And lastly and third one, I'm staying with this girl who is just nearby. She's my little sister. So these are the 5 facts which I really want to share with you. I hope you have enjoyed this video and find this video valuable. And so with this I wrap up my video. I hope you have enjoyed this video and find this video valuable, and if you have done, do hit that like button and subscribe my channel for the further updates. Till then, take care guys. I will see you guys in the next one.